Seated in his car, packed with gasoline and pipe bombs, Terry Rossland has demanded to see his wife and children or blow himself up. The sheriffs work in a relaxed manner and seem to have momentarily diffused the situation as Rossland checks himself out in the rearview mirror.
Stay there, stay there. Stay on a mask. Ambulance is coming up the street. Stay on it. Man down over here, on your left, in front of the red truck. Can you get a mask?
Watch the right side of the screen.
There he is! Get him! Get him! Get him, Max! Jesus Christ.
There's Rossland exiting the vehicle, charred and burning from the explosion. A second blast.